If a child is born in Saskatchewan, then you will have to come and do the birth registration here on this link. This is the official link. So you can either type birth registration Saskatchewan, or if you can directly come to this website, once you come here, click birth certificates, registering a birth. You will come to this page and you see here, by completing the registration of live birth form, you will also be able to register and access for the government services, which includes Canada Child Benefit. Again, this depends on parent status in Canada, and you will get to know whether you are eligible or not once you fill in the detail. Then social insurance number for the baby, then the health card and the birth certificate. Now, if you are planning to apply for Canada passport for the baby, then in that case, remember in the birth certificate, you will need this long form birth certificate, which will be handed over at Passport Service Canada. So this is the document they will collect along with the passport application, and they will keep that with them. So make sure when you are applying, if you are applying for Canada passport at later stage, you order this long form birth certificate, because this takes close to 6 to 8 weeks, and then Canada Post delivery time is excluded out of this time. So this long form birth certificate is something which you must carefully choose for the Canada passport requirement. Made a video on how to apply Canada passport without any error, and shown step by step how it is done. So you can check that video out. In case you have any association with India and you want to apply for babies OCI card, then I have made a video again showing how you can do this stress-free. So all the link I have organized and you can find in the description. So do check that out. On this page, click on order online. You will come to this section where you have to enter the CAPTCHA, and then you go to next. Now, when you are filling in this detail, two things you must have. One is baby's name. In most cases, if the baby name is not given at the time of birth, discharge summary will have mother's name and baby's gender mentioned in the document. All baby related information will be there in this discharge summary, which is issued by hospital, and they also send this copy to Vitals Canada. If you have named the baby immediately at birth, then baby's name will be mentioned here in this discharge summary. If not, whenever you are ready with baby's name and with this discharge summary, you will be able to do the birth registry. The most important thing here is that you cannot make mistake with baby's name. Once the registry is done, if you have to go and change the name again, it's a legal process which you want to avoid. So make sure when you're doing this first, make it right. So check, recheck, cross-check. I'm not going to show how to fill the application, as once you have the detail, I'm sure you will not go wrong. It's simple. Make sure you are entering correct detail, and you also get to review. If there is any error, you can modify before doing the final submission, where both parents will have to consent. Once the submission is done, you will get access to other option like selecting the birth certificate. Remember, make sure you're getting the long form birth certificate, which will be given along with the Canada passport for the baby. So once you have selected everything, you have done the payment for birth certificate. Finally, you will get a summary like this, where you will get what all you have submitted for. If you're looking for baby's Canada passport, you will have to wait for the birth registration, birth certificate, especially the long one, and this could take a couple of weeks for it to come. So you can anticipate at least 2.5 months to 3 months before you can apply and get passport for the baby. So the earlier, the better it is for you. I hope you find this video useful. In case you have any question, please use the comment section, and do check out my other videos which might be handy for you. Thank you.